backspace. Click onto that and backspace. Or else we will be adopting. Many of them are able to delete that. Otherwise, we will be going to another step. It will normally, when you click onto that,
okay.
Backspace, press the button backspace. Earlier, many of them has told that backspace is working. So it will work for you as well.
Sir, I can share to you.
If they, Bagi sir is always welcome. See, if you are facing any issue, check your net connection. The speed will not be there. So you need to press for a little bit longer. Because what you are doing is you are not typing on your Word file on your laptop, but on the server. There is a gap between you and the server. Server is in US. So there is a gap. The connection should be stable and strong. Then only you can complete the process at a faster pace. Bagi sir, welcome sir. Back to the screen. You are live. Share the screen. Let me take a look at it. So finally, friends, now your e-learning content is live with audio and video. That is one of the guarantees which we organizers have given to you. You will be having all the contents at the end of the day. Next, we'll be going on to evaluation. Let me see how far my friends are with me. Hello, seems all are thinking a lot. Boss, Control C, Control V. You don't want to think a lot. Yes, sir. Mita ma'am, great. I prefer the title in bold. It's up to you. If you're interested, not interested in bold, okay. You can see the last modified, etc. Smita ma'am, this is what I told you. Take a print screen and show it to the PBAs, etc. They will be looking at the last thing, last modified Wednesday. This thing. That means the content is live and working. Take a print screenshot and save it in your system for future reference. Next one, please. Varghese sir. Sir, a camera is not perfect. I am not able to see you. That's great. Okay, sir. Now start sharing your screen.
Sorry, that is a...
Present now. Click onto the screen. Click onto your image. You can see the white band below. Present now. Click onto present now. And a Chrome tab. Because we are using Chrome now, the website. That is why, friends, I told you earlier, I better prefer Chrome as the browser.
Can you see, sir?
What is sir? You are live.
Okay, sir.
Great, great.
This is my page.
That's it. What is psychology? Okay, great, sir. Great, great, great.
Then
sir,
also,
can you show me the diagram? Yeah, play the video.
This chapter explains the meaning and the definition of general psychology and applied psychology.
Varghese sir, sir, you have used it only in description. If you want in between, you can lecture on that particular topic. When it was evolved, etc. on the content.
This chapter explains the
in the
meaning
content
and the definition of general psychology and applied psychology.
Okay, great. Can you come down? Can you come down to the content? Can I take a look at the content? I like to see the formatting issues. Word, table, illustration, diagrams, etc.
I can do as you like.
Okay. So incorporate like that.
Okay. This is only a training. This is only a training day.
Take your time. Slowly you will be developing it. Don't worry about that. Okay. Next one. Sherlin sir, you are live.
Is it okay, sir?
That's it. I want the table.
Yeah, it is in the image form.
Sherlin sir, align center. Hope you understood what I am saying.
Yeah,
align center, not here. Yeah, table align center. And during the preparation of table also, you should have align center, because that 1, 2, 3, etc. is on top. Click onto the mouse, right, align center. So the word will be on the center. See, these are the content the students are going to use, and they will be sharing it with their friends from other colleges as well.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Sherlin sir, click the first box. click the first box, Sherlin sir, so that only you can find that. Yes, now center. Yes.
Justify.
Thank you.
See here,
Thank you,
you
ma'am.
can see the formatting here. Center, justify, etc.
Okay, sir. Okay, okay.
Okay then. Shalin, stop sharing. Give chance to others.
Thank you, sir.
Okay then. Next one, please. So finally, the description and the content is live. That means your platform is live. E-learning platform is live with notes and description, with incorporation of some quadrants, not all the quadrants. Tanya ma'am, you are live. Can you take me to the tables, diagrams, illustrations, etc.? Because I am yet to see a diagram incorporated into the content. Tanya ma'am, the table now, you copied and paste. What I prefer is don't do that. Copy till the table and take the printout of the table and paste it as an image. Friends, remember
I
one.
copied it into paste, and that image is not getting pasted here.
Okay, then do one thing. There is some issue. You can see near to that mic an image symbol is there.
Yes.
Click onto that and take save your image file. Yeah, browse
Enter
representation.
URL.
No, browse. It will be taking upload a file. Upload a file. The third one.
Okay, upload a file.
Fourth one. Now specify the choose file from the desktop. Choose file. Friends, hope you understood how to incorporate image into the content. This is the process. Ma'am, Tanya ma'am, can you do the process again? Back.
Yes.
Yes. Close it. Go back. Do it again. Friends, take a look at how Tanya ma'am incorporates an image. Tanya ma'am, near that table, browse repositories, click upload a file, choose a file, specify the path, upload this file. While uploading, I will tell you some other technique. Can you do the process? Incorporate some image. Forget about table. Some image. This is how to incorporate images into the system if the other way is not working. Rename. Overwrite. Okay, overwrite. Okay then. Overwrite. Now you should specify. No. CC, don't be in a hurry. Close it and do the process again. Close that one. And ma'am, do the process again and wait for my instruction. Till uploading, you can do at a faster pace. After that, please wait. Friends, take a look at this one. It is same like I am doing. So you don't want to tell. Choose file, specify the path, and wait for me. Upload this file. Anya ma'am, upload this file.
Yes.
Wait. Don't be in a hurry. Here, there are certain technicalities. Upload this file. Overwrite it because she already had uploaded it, so overwriting it. Friends, take a look at this one. No. Hello.
I didn't do anything.
Yes.
Just
Okay then.
screen.
See, friends, you can see the size here. It is auto size. You don't want a bigger size. Take it into, remove that one. 128 into size. Can you see the size? Yeah, 112 or something. 100 is the minimum size. 112. T size 112. Yeah. So it will be taking. Then automatically the length and the breadth will be given and you can adjust and you give a centralize. Bottom, alignment center. Below that, center. No. Middle. Save image. Do you know why I have asked her to do the thing? Because there is only limited space. Save image. Tanya ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Save. Go down. You can see. Yes. Save image. Image must have a description. Okay. Click. No description needed. Give some description. See, there above while yeah. Wait. See, friends. Tanya ma'am, can you show the show the cursor on user and storage? This is the band. You should be careful. If the storage is high, if you paste a bigger image, do you know what will happen? The storage space will be wasted. So use a smaller image, smaller video, smaller audio, because we are using a free server. On the top band, you can see user storage near to your name. Keep track of that one. Otherwise, you will not be upload the maximum content. So what I am advocating is prudential use of resources. So the file should be small, and you can click onto that, and you will be taking to that file. Okay then. Tanya ma'am, stop sharing. Give chance to others. Anyone else, please? Hello. Inorganic chemistry, great. Can you show me the content? I don't want to look at the description. I prefer the content. Can you show me the content? Yes, great. Show me the diagram. Chemistry means you'll be having sufficient diagrams. So hope that I'll be able to see some diagrams. Okay. Can you show me down? Because even though the diagram is small, as and when the student clicks on the diagram gets expanded into a new page. So you don't want to worry about the size. The smaller, the more beautiful it is. So keep that in mind. Stop sharing and go back. See, you can justify. You have not justified. Click onto the formatting. There is an arrow at the end of left. Click onto that. You can see other formatting symbols down below as the second band. In that, there is right align, left align, justify, etc. Center aligned, etc. Hope you will be doing that. So friends, those who have not done justify, click onto the right side. There will be a tab, and click onto that, and you will be able to see that thing. Next one, please. Yes, ma'am. Susan, ma'am, you are live.
Sir, in this I have edited the image and
louder, please. It is not audible. Can you?
Sir, in this I have written the description about the topic which is to be taught, and beneath that the diagram is also been copy paste. But after that, I am planning to insert some audio clip like description about what does this mean. But
okay. Yeah, take on that mic or take on that video. But you should have entered. You should have given the space, specified that place after the diagram plus enter. Enter. It will okay. Now start doing that. Because you should specify where this file should be added. Audio track. Now explain about the diagram to the students. Yeah, start recording and say about the description.
But sir, when I do this, it's not recording that, like it is not accepting the command, sir.
No, it will come. It will be kept at some other place. You should check. Start recording. See whether it is working. I think they might have limited the per unit space. Otherwise, you take the recording from description out and insert this one.
Okay, from out.
Because there is only limited space, no? They will be allocating it with some restrictions. Try it. Do it again. Can you do one thing? Go back on the top. On the top. Take the cursor back to the top of the content. Can you take me to the top of the content? Susan ma'am, I'm talking to you. Hello ma'am. Susan ma'am, are you there? Hello, ma'am.
It's recording at the top of the content.
Yeah, that's it. It is recording on the top. Bring it down.
Why it is not recording at the bottom?
Yeah, there will be some technical issues. I'll look into it and I will update you. Normally
Okay,
it comes
sir.
at the place, that particular place.
Okay, sir.
Because see, this is a free version. You should not be
Okay.
demanding. When it is a paid version, no, you can demand for all the facilities. See, Susan, ma'am, do keep that in mind. See, I am giving you a free server and you should accommodate your desires into that.
Sir, 1 second doubt, sir.
Yeah.
In the desktop we saw save and save option is already were there. Then why we separately save the items, sir?
Which one? Show me and explain.
That means if sound is recorded, then why the sound is separately saved to be saved in the separate link?
See, that is some formatting technique they had adopted.
Oh.
Susan, ma'am, are you there?
Hello?
Susan, ma'am? Susan,
Hello?
ma'am, are you there?
Hello?
Susan, ma'am, are you there? Hello? Now is the time. If the space is not permitting, you can incorporate a link into that. Prepare an audio, log in into YouTube with your Gmail account and create your YouTube channel. Record it in that, host it on YouTube and give a link in Moodle. When the student click onto that, they will be taken to YouTube where it is free to a certain, you can record I think 15 minutes video and upload it. If you verify, then it will be you'll be able to record for a longer distance. So what you can do is, if this is not effective, you incorporate that link. There is, when you go to formatting, you can see on the top band there is a link being shown. Click onto that, specify the link. That link should be your YouTube channel where the video is hosted. When you take a look at the YouTube channel, you can see your video. Click onto that video and copy the link from the taskbar and incorporate that into your Moodle site. Through that you will be able to save space. Hope you understood what I am trying to convey. What we need to do is, we need to pool all the free services into this domain and make it an authentic one. Like what we are doing. Google Mail. Google Mail is a remote server. I will be uploading all my certificates, all my license, my Aadhaar card copies into that, and as and when somebody asks, I will be logging into the Gmail and taking a printout. So this is the technique. Take all the free services and use it optimally in developing your e-learning module. Hope each one of you understood what I am trying to convey. Next one, please.
Hello?
Yes, please.
Sir, I'm Dr. Sukmaya.
Yes.
My unit is on history, so I won't be having any table. Instead, I could put some image. Is that okay?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, of course.
Sure. Thank you.
Can you share the screen and after incorporating an image?
Yes, sure.
See, what you can do is, if it is international movement, you can take YouTube video links, incorporate that into your content. Let the students start enjoying learning rather than just hearing to your lecture. So that in a way, what you will be doing is, you will be using diverse mediums for enriching the teaching learning process. This is what I told you blended learning is.
Yes, sure, sir. Let me put everything on the format and then I'll let you know. Yes.
Yeah, that's great. That's great.
Sure.
So then history learning will be interesting. I hope interesting is in quote. Hope you understood what I am trying to convey.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. You can tell them, see students, I have given you all the video links. Take a look at it and come prepared for tomorrow's session. so that they will be coming prepared after watching some of the videos, at least some of them.
Yes, yes.
Okay, then next one, please.
So there is one option H5P. Insert
Yeah,
H5P.
that is a complex one.
Okay.
We'll be conducting another course for that. You please discuss with the organizers and suggest that we need a course on H5P. Through that, we'll be incorporating those things. You know what? From tomorrow, we'll be looking into the evaluation process. So if
Okay,
I
sir.
tell you each one of them, that you can incorporate into some kind of evaluation process, which we'll be doing it after some time. Anyone else? Hello? Teams?
Sir, I'm
Susan
so
ma'am,
sorry.
you're live.
Sir, sorry, sir, because of the power supply, it got disconnected. Sir, how
Sorry?
can I, because of the power supply, it got disconnected, sir.
It is not audible. Can you say it loudly? Incorporating link. There you can see near bullets. You can see a link.
This one, sir?
No, go to top. Bold italics. Bold it and nearby that. That is bullet. Nearby that. Click onto that.
Okay.
Enter URL. Not enter. Copy and paste here. That is better.
Sir,
Have you got any YouTube video link? Copy that link and click onto that one and paste the URL.
Sir, I'm not talking about the YouTube. If I want to put an audio of my own, how can
Yeah,
I do it?
yeah. Where it is hosted?
It is not being hosted. If I directly want to do in this, like,
Then you should. It is shown only on top. Go to top and specify and copy and paste. Yeah, start recording.
Sir, but it was not like possible.
But it is show. All of them told that it is showing on top.
Sir, this is the description. This is the content
Yeah.
which I'm talking about.
Copy that. Control X and Control V. Yeah. When it is recorded in some other place, you don't want to worry. Control X and take a try. Play the audio.
Okay, like, sir, should I like save it outside this particular content box?
No. It will be incorporated on top of that. First record the audio. Yeah. Say something and stop. Start recording.
Sir, when I'm clicking start recording, it's not functioning, sir, actually.
Not working, huh?
Yes, sir.
Then there will be some issue because many of them told that it is recorded somewhere and you need to change the position only.
Okay, sir, then let me try again, sir.
Do one thing before pasting, do the whole process again. You might have this content, no? First, say the recording because and paste the whole thing after that. After that means just above that, then it will come down because they are updating this version every now and then. There will be some technical issues which they will be looking into it slowly only. So how to get over this? First record the whole thing and paste the content just above that. Then sometimes it will be coming down. Otherwise, if it is not working, I'll be looking into it and I'll tell you some other solution.
Okay, right, sir, right, sir.
So for every problem, you don't want to worry, there will be solution. I'll get you the details.
Thank you.
Normally it works.
Okay.
Because do you know why I'm telling you to use this one? Because they will be constantly updating with, there are certain issues they'll be identifying and we'll be reporting. We, the users, will be reporting and they'll be coming up with solutions. So don't worry about that. This is on the process of constant updation. So when you log into, after some time, they'll be telling your site is already updated. That means the updation process is going on. For the last week, no, last 2 weeks, the site is temporarily closed. That means there is no chance of we doing this whole process.
Okay, sir.
Okay then, because now there is too much of demand for e-learning now, and they know that there is a demand. That is why they reduce the free time as well, because the traffic is very high.
Okay, right, sir.
Earlier it was 60, now it is only 45 days.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Before that, it was 3 months. That is the strategy. This is big business, no? They know that all are behind that. Anyone else?
Thank you, sir.
Susan ma'am, relax. I will find you the solution.
Yeah, sure, sure. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can we attach PDF file in this content?
That is the tricky question. Hello, friend. Do you know what? I want my students to log into this site every now and then. If you attach a file, just before that you can see file, you can attach Word, PDF, etc. When you attach PDF or Word file, do you know? I will never come back to your site because the whole content
Okay.
is saved in my laptop or mobile phone. So friends, I want you to monitor. I want you to be smarter than them. If the students are smart kids with smartphones, we should let them know that we are not that bad. This is the chance. Use it prudently. One more thing I want to say that as and when they log in only we can know whether they are learning or not. So what I want is I will never advocate for PDF or Word file. For extra readings, you can add on to that. Some English authors, some notes prepared by some foreign authors, you can add because they are not going to refer. If they want additional reference, you can give that. But if you want them to read your notes and study, leave it in as a page. Then only they will be entering into this page. There is one more technique.
Okay.
They select all and paste, they don't need to enter, but they don't know that. That is the issue. If they select all, they will be able to never, they don't need to visit your site again. What I want is never paste, never upload PDF and Word file. If you are uploading PDF and Word file, do you know what will happen? They will visit once and they will not return back. You will not be in a position to monitor. What you are going to do is you are going to highlight to NAC that you are remotely monitoring the learning habits of your students. This is how they access. This is the time they are going to access. This we will be discussing tomorrow. How to keep track of the activities of students. So tomorrow, friends, when you come, please get me 5 to 10 names of your students and their email address. Email address, if you don't have, well and good, we'll be creating a duplicate one. At least your name, because that screen will be using for some other purpose to justify that you already had a live module, live e-learning module from May 2020 itself. Hope you understood what I'm trying to say. I think you'll be inferring from what I have said to you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Should we save and display or save and return to the course?
Save and display means you can see it. Save and course means you can go back and do the process, prepare for another topic. So as I want all of you in active mode, save and return to course, do incorporate other content, and tomorrow I want to see the whole content developed. That means topic 1, topic 2, topic 3, topic 4. This is your assignment. I want to see all the page with audio, video, illustrations. So tomorrow when I take a look at the page, I want all the content be there. You can take it from any place. I have given you all the clues from text, website, or from some other thing. I want all the topic, and this is your assignment tomorrow.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Anything else? Hello, friends. I'm waiting for you. Please don't tell them that I am not giving individual attention. See, I am asking every now and then to share your screen, share your screen, share your screen. Then only I will be able to have a look at it.
So can I, somebody else is doing. Okay.
Shruti, ma'am, your live, great.
Sir, can
Okay,
you
great.
see my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen. Great, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
So you have included that YouTube video as
Yes.
well. That is great.
Yes.
See, friends,
Yes,
this is
sir.
how you can save space. She is using some other reference thing into our content. This is it. Shruti ma'am, tomorrow I want to see all the other chapters as well.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Okay, great. Computer science, so you will be tech savvy. So I want to see something more from your side. Hope you understood. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Okay,
Thank you,
thanks
sir.
for sharing.
Thank you.
Next one, please. Anyone else? Hello? Dibichan sir, you are live. You are presenting your yes, paper public.
Sir, I have included a few of my these are links like this Google Classroom.
Okay, great.
Is it okay? E-portfolio.
Yeah.
Is that the way? Press C.
It is up to you. Include what all
Okay.
things.
Okay. This saves the space. I think. This one link.
Yeah, that's it. Because you have given only the link. So when you click on that link, it will be going to another site.
Yeah. So is it okay?
See, click and open in new tab. That is better.
Yeah.
Rather than clicking on that and being in going to another one. That is great.
Yeah, this way. I have account in all these things.
Okay, great. So that is better.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay then. Okay then.
Sir,
Yes, please. Okay, sir, you are live.
When I do the work this time, then I log off it from the site that all are not saved there. Why? What is the reason?
Can you show me the screen and explain to me? I'm not able to get you.
Okay, sir.
Show me the screen and tell me what is happening to your screen. You might have not saved your changes. After doing anything, any updation, save changes and display. Save changes or go back to course. You should complete that process. Then only it will come. Go down. You can see save changes. Or else it will be asking discard changes. You might have clicked on to discard changes. It will be asking if you type a single word on your content, it will be asking whether you want to save changes, and the save changes will be highlighted. Save changes and go back to course or something like that. It will be shown down below.
Sir, this is can you see?
Yeah, sure.
Topic 1. I select the topic 1 and add this position, add an activity or resource.
No, first type the name. Type the name. You have not even typed the name. Topic 1, type any name. Some alphabet is enough.
Edit
Click
portion.
click on.
Edit portion.
No. Yeah, here. Click on to topic 1. Topic 1, there is a pencil.
Okay. Then
type the name.
Type the name.
No, it is there now. Go back. Type the name here. Type the name. Click that pencil. Type.
Okay.
Then enter. You have described it in the content, not an add-on activity. Enter. Press enter.
Okay. Yeah, yes.
So it comes.
That is the reason. Okay.
Okay. Then no. There is another issue. Add an activity. Add an activity. Now come to bring that down.
Page.
Add a page. Give the same name.
Okay.
Type the same name. Type the same name. Same name.
Okay.
Type some alphabets in description. Type ABCD. Now come to the content. ABCD. Here you should paste the content. Go down. Save changes and go to course. Save changes and go to course.
Save and return to course. Okay.
That's it. You can see.
Okay. That's a problem. That's the first time I can't type the name of the.
Okay, relax.
Okay, I can do.
Okay then.
Thank you, sir.
Anyone else? Hello, friends. So tomorrow what I want is, I want the full page. You can see Burgisa's page. There is nothing here. I want all the chapters. If you don't want any other topic, you should delete it. Then
Okay.
I want the list of students with their names or even the email address as well. But what we'll be doing is, if you're serious to start now, you get the real email address. If you're not serious, you'll be using a duplicate email address. And on the third column, you should prepare the password. Password is St. Joseph at 123. St. Joseph S is capital. This should be your password.
Where the
Don't
email ID maybe make, sir?
You prepare an Excel file or Word file according to your convenience. You bring
Okay.
some 10 to 10 names with email address and the three column table. First name, second email address, third password. Password should be St. Joseph's at 123. Why I am stipulating is that if you face any issue, I can tell you the password. Otherwise, you will be asking, sir, I am not able to enter. What is the password? So that is why I am telling you, please keep the password as this one. And after that, you can change according to your interest. So
This
how the password
this-
is, password first alphabet should be capital, followed by at and numericals, symbol and numerical. That is why I have given you the word St. Joseph's at 123.
Okay,
Remember
sir.
this thing. I want a table with the name of the students, email address, and a password column as well. So first,
Sir,
tomorrow first, you please show me that Word file with the name and email address. Then the content which you had created. I need all the chapters with the incorporation of audio, video, and contents like that. Even YouTube links is okay.
This email ID is temporary. Yes, sir?
Temporary. Yeah.
Oh,
If you
okay,
want,
okay.
you can use temporary. If some of the faculties are seriously having that much rapport with their students, you can start now itself. Because tomorrow-
One more, sir. The password is St. Joseph's. St. Joseph.
St. Joseph at 123.
Yes. St. Joseph apostrophe S, isn't it, sir?
Yeah, according to your convenience, let us keep it as St. Joseph's at 123. So there will be symbol as well. St. Joseph's at 123.
Okay, sir.
Yes, capital. Yes,
Okay,
capital. It should be in caps.
Okay,
Because
sir.
tomorrow I'll be each one of you will be using the same password and logging into the student site as well. So what we'll be doing is we'll be incorporating this thing. So when you ask me, sir, what is the password? I can tell you this is the password. That is why I am telling you. Afterwards, you can change accordingly. So friends, for the time being, it is back to Rodum ma'am and the organizers.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. I hope it is time to wind it up. Okay, respected Dr. Shamlal, sir. Today's session was very interesting, and you could take us to the new world of possibilities in preparing e-content in Moodle, incorporating audio and video. And you have presented it in a very digestible manner also. So on behalf of all the participants present here, I thank you, sir, for a wonderful experience. Thank you,
ma'am.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I also thank the
Bye, bye,
participants.
bye.
You made it possible and you made it alive. So thank you all. And I hope see you tomorrow with new topics and new possibilities. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.